Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I thought it would be a great and fun idea to discuss the topic of taxation. Now, taxation is... Hang on a moment. Do you see that? What on earth is going on? What is that? Can you see that? It looks like a hole. It's huge. Why is there a hole in the ceiling? This is so strange. It's so square-shaped. I just wanted a ceiling with no holes. I didn't sign up for this. Why is this happening to me? The rest of the ceiling has no holes, so I just don't understand what's going on. It doesn't make any sense. I'm really sorry, but the video on taxation has been absolutely ruined. I just lost my composure. Just too on edge to continue talking about tax. Really sorry about that. I need to find out what's going on over there. I'm gonna do some investigations and get back to you. I've just done some thorough analysis and I have concluded that it is in fact a hole. What it is doing here, I have no idea. Will it stay here? I have no idea. Will I eventually fall into the hole? That's quite likely. Until this hole gets removed, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to remain spooked. So, I'll see you later. Goodbye. Why? Why? Why?